Hi guys, good evening. I am Suhail Khalid Indari. Today date is 28th January 2022. Today I am discuss on the topic operators in the Java. So let's start. What is operator? Operator is used symbol that is used to perform operations according to the user requirement. Operators is mainly divided into seven types. First one is arithmetic operator. Second one is relational operators. Third one is logical operator. Fourth one is increment and decrement operator. Fifth one is assignment operator. Sixth one is bitwise. Sixth one is ternary operator, and seventh one is bitwise operator. So let's start with first arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators is used for perform the arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or remainder. We all of are friendly from these arithmetic relations or arithmetic symbol from the childhood. Say then second one is relational operator. Relational operator, it is used for showing the relation between two variables. If we want, we take a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and if I enter a condition a is greater than b, then result is true. Then if a is greater than b, then result printed is true, or it is not true, then result printed on the console is false. Third one is third one is logical operator. Third one is logical operator. Logical operator is used to show logic between the two variables. That examples or and not logical. If we want to we want to find logic in two variables, then we use in two variables and in two conditions, and if both conditions are true, then print on console. Second one is or. If we use or operator, if the one variable or single one condition is true, then program executed. Third one is not assignment operator. No, sorry. Third one is not third third one is not logical operator. If we use not logical operator, then if both conditions are not equal to other, then program is executed. Fourth one is increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operator, it is used to increase and decrease the value of variable. In these two increments are present. First one is pre-increment or decrement. Second one is post-increment or decrement. Pre-increment or decrement. In this pre-increment or decrement, we write a variable and add addition sign before the variable, or subtraction symbol before the variable. In this pre increment or pre decrement, here is a variable is first printed and after increase or decrease, and post increment or decrement, in this variable is increase or decrease and then next is printed. Fifth one is assignment operator. Assignment operator is used for to assign a variable value. Like in this, two assignments operator are present. A simple assignment operator, and second one is com, 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 complex assignment operator. In simple assignment operator, we use simple is equal to sign. if we assign a is equal to 10, if we assign the value of a is 10, then we use a is equal to 10. And in complex assignment operator, we use plus equal to, minus equal to, less than equal to, or greater than equal to. If a is equal to, if we take a is equal to 10 and we want to increase this 10 by 10, then we use plus is equal to sign. Then our a's value is increases with 10 and our a is equal to, our print on console a is equal to 20. Then next one is ternary operator. Ternary operator is used for ternary operator is used for condition is used for a condition. If we take a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20 and we want to find which is greater, which number is greater, then we use ternary operator. Here we write a is greater than b or a is less than b. After it we write question mark. After it a we write a, or after it we write colon and then b. In this case, question mark is used for to ask for compiler this result is true or false, and here we use colon, it is used for break the statement. Here we also find this greatest number, which number is greatest, with the help of if or else statement. But in this if or else statement, we write a 4 to 5 lines of program for find which number is greater. But in ternary operator, we write only single line and we take a result from this ternary operator. And next one is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator, this operator is used for the finding the binary value of the binary value of the all of the any values. Okay, thank you.